In this video, you're going to learn how to get your first followers on Twitter. And these are going to be genuine followers that are going to engage with your profile. Now, before you go ahead and do this, remember that you should have updated your profile image, created a bio, filled out your website, etc., and created a base of content on your profile, maybe 5 or 10 posts. Now, this is just a demo account, so I haven't done everything, but really you should be at that stage before you begin to try and get followers. The reason is because when people come to your profile, you've got everything set up, it's a real active account, and that creates a much higher chance for them to follow you. So how do you get the followers? Well, once again, you want to open up the influencer accounts that you have started following. And really what you want to do is funnel followers from their accounts to your account. So the way that you do that is open up one of the influencer accounts that you're following, go to one of their posts, and now you want to start to follow people who are actually engaging with content. Now they might have a lot of followers on their profile, but not everybody is going to engage. And so as a new Twitter profile, you really want to focus and try and build a relationship with those people who are engaged. So if you click on a post, you can actually see anybody who's commented on the post, and you can begin to follow them, and you can just keep moving down. So you know these people are quite engaged, and you might have to do a little bit of clicking around to make this work. But essentially this gives you the opportunity as well to see exactly who are these people who are engaging with your influencer account. You can see the size of their accounts here. You can see their bio. And so you can start to get a sense of who they really are. So we can really just keep going down and following them. And what's going to happen is a lot of those people are going to get this notification that they have been followed by you. And then once they see that notification, they're going to want to check you out. And then in most cases, if they see that your profile is relevant to what they're into, which it should be, if you are following people on accounts that are similar to yours, then they're really going to come and follow you back. So it is a bit of a manual process, but I really recommend you do this to get started so you can really see the exact profiles of these people, really understand even some of the conversations that are happening here. And it's a way to attract people to your profile that are really engaged on Twitter and not just accounts that maybe would have followed a while ago. So if you want to attract engaged followers, this is the best strategy. Just come to influencer accounts and look at the comments of people and really start to follow them. And then they're most likely going to follow you back. You can also start to engage, add your own comments, replies, and that again, they're going to get a notification of that. And as a result, they're going to come and check out your profile. So we have set up about 5 influencer accounts here. And so you can start to go in and maybe start to follow maybe up to 200 people a day, maybe. Just take 10, 15 minutes to do that. I think it's really going to help you understand what type of engagements on Twitter, and it'll really help you attract those initial followers to get things kicked off. So now that you know how to attract your initial followers on Twitter, go ahead and try that for yourself, or just put it in your back pocket for later.